Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing Peashooter from Plants vs. Zombies. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've already gone and created two layers, the outline layer and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker for outline, and the color layer is where we're going to be coloring. If you're using a white sheet of paper, you can go and grab a black marker. So for the outline today, we're going to do a dark green, which I already have here. And then we can start drawing the outline of the body. And then for the face, we're gonna do a round circle like that. And if you're on an iPad Pro and you want a nice circle, don't lift your Apple Pencil. And see? You can get a really nice circle. And right here as well, we're gonna do another circle. And then another half circle this way. And we're gonna leave that for now because we're gonna be using black to color inside here. So let's start with the bottom part. For the neck, we have a little half circle here. And then for the legs, they turn into this type of leaf. So we're gonna go like this. Then we're gonna do a big swoop up. Okay, so now I'm gonna select a black, and then we're gonna go and do the eyes. And then we're just gonna leave a little bit of a white area. And then we can color it in. Okay, so now that we've done all that, we can start coloring in. I'm gonna go into my color layer. And because I already have the black, I'm gonna do an oval shape right here. And let's start down over here because it seems to be the easiest. We're gonna grab a slightly different green than the outline. So I already have that picked out. And then down over here, this leaf is also the same green. And then over here, and then we're going to pick a lighter green for this section. And there is a little bit of shading in the actual original drawing, but since this is a beginner level, we're just gonna keep it flat color, and we could do minor shading, and I'll show you in a minute. And there also seems to be a slight shadow. So we're just gonna do a 2-dimensional shadow. And then we're gonna be picking a slightly darker green than this one. So maybe something like that. And we're just gonna go around. And I did make a little mistake here, so I'm going to just click on that color, and then I'm just gonna close this off. All right, select this color again, and then we're gonna do another tiny shadow right here. And then around here. All right, so using this same green, let's color over here. And then there's a slight circle here with this darker green. So I'm gonna select this color. You just click on this little square, tap, and then you got that color. So we're gonna do a circle here. And if it helps you to turn your paper over, you can certainly do that. Okay, and then we're gonna select that lighter green again. And then we are going to paint his face. Now we gotta be careful, we gotta leave a little bit of a reflection. There is a slight reflection here, and there are some reflections in the eyes. So we're gonna leave that white. In fact, I'm gonna use a thinner brush and just kind of outline that first. Okay, so that's the first reflection. And then underneath the eyes, and then over here as well. And then down over here, there is also a darker area, so we're gonna trace that out. It kind of fades into the other color, but because we're doing a simple flat color, we'll see how that works out later. Okay, so we're gonna color this in. You know what, maybe we'll just close it off right here, just to make things easy. And then down over here, we're gonna select a darker green. So let's try this one down over here, that same green. All right, guys, there is your super simple pea shooter from Plants vs. Zombies.